Stop scrolling aimlessly and start seeing real sales roll in on your TikTok shop. First, you need to niche down. Forget trying to sell everything to everyone. Find a specific, passionate audience like quirky phone cases for gamers or eco-friendly dog toys. The more specific, the better. Next, research trending sounds and hashtags within your niche. See what's already popular and adapt it to showcase your product. Use TikTok's search bar. Don't just blindly copy. Add your own unique twist. Optimize your product listings. Use high-quality photos and videos. Write compelling descriptions that highlight the benefits, not just the features. Good reviews matter, so encourage satisfied customers to leave them. Create engaging, high-quality video content. Good lighting, clear audio, and creative visuals are non-negotiable. Think short, attention-grabbing hooks and quick cuts. Go live, interact with your audience in real time, answer questions, and showcase your products. Offer exclusive discounts or promotions to viewers who tune in. Finally, don't be afraid to invest in TikTok Shop's promotional tools. Targeted ads can significantly boost your reach and drive traffic to your shop. Experiment and track your results. Implement these steps and watch your organic TikTok Shop sales skyrocket. Subscribe for more tips.